Thank you for joining us. Here in this class, you want to solve this problem. Find the quadratic equation whose roots are 2 over 3 and minus 3 over 4. I will show you two methods here to solve this particular problem. The first one, whenever we are forming a quadratic equation, let's say our variable here is x. So when forming a quadratic equation and in variable x, you say we have x squared minus, we have sum of roots x, then plus product of roots, we have product of roots, then equals to 0, product of roots, then it will be equal to 0. So this is how to form a quadratic equation. We are using variable x here now. We have x squared minus sum of roots, then x, then plus product of roots equals to 0. Now these are the roots given to us here. So if we put this one here, we have these two roots. We can say this is x squared minus sum of the roots. We have 2 over 3 plus minus 3 over 4. That's still minus 3 over 4. Then x. So then plus the product of the roots. We say 2 over 3 multiplied by minus 3 over 4. Then equals 0. So by the time we solve this now, we can see that in this bracket, we have x squared here now minus LCM in the bracket here is 12. 3 goes in 12, that's 4. 4 times 2, that's 8. Minus, here we have 4 going 12, that's 3 times 3, that's 9. Then x. Then here we multiply. This will become 2 times minus 3, that's minus 6. Over 3 times 4, that's 12. Then equals to 0. Then by the time we look into this, we can see that here we are going to have x squared. Then we have 8 minus 9, we have minus 1. Then when minus open bracket, that's plus 1 over 12. Then x. Then minus 6 over 12, which is equal to 0. Here we can see that 12 can be seen as the LCM here. So LCM is 12. If LCM is 12, we can clear the fraction by multiplying through by 12. So this will be 12 x squared, then plus x, then minus 6, which is equal to 0. So therefore, this is the quadratic equation we are looking for, which is 12x squared plus x minus 6 equals 0. Now, there is another way of doing this, which I will quickly show us now. If you don't want to use this method here, you can equally say that let x be the variable, and you know the two roots given to you now. The first one, you can say x is equals to 2 over 3, or your x is equals to minus 3 over 4. So when we have two roots, like we have the two value for x, so we can work backward now. I can say this over 1. When I cross multiply something like that here, this will give me 3x equals to 2. Because 3 we multiply x, that's 3x, then 2 multiply 1. And this place as well, I have 4x equals to minus 3. They also bring 2 to the back, like you are working, you are reversing the process now. So you now have 3x minus 2, because plus here become minus, then equal to 0. Or you have 4x minus come here become plus 3 equals 0. Now these two now we multiply it together, then we equate it to 0. So we have 3x minus 2, we multiply 4x plus 3, then equal to 0. By the time we open this now, we can see clearly here that we can use 3x to open first. 3x will multiply these two. So we then have 12x squared, that's 3x times 4x. Then 3x will multiply 3, that's plus 9x. Then minus 2 open now, that's minus 8x. Then minus 6 equal to 0. Then from there we can see that here now we have what is called like terms. 9x minus 8x, that's 12x squared. We have plus x now, then minus 6 equal to 0. So this is another method. And when you see we have the same answer from there, we say thank you for joining us, and do well to subscribe to this channel for more of our videos, and also like this video. Thank you for joining us, and see you in the next class. Bye for now.